Students of class 5, welcome to our English class. Students, this is your English grammar class, so get ready. Very good morning. Yes, Rishabh, then Shivam, very good morning. So students, I think you all are clear about the syllabus, term 2 syllabus, isn't it? So students, still I am writing the syllabus on the board, right? So note down. Okay. Term 2. You know, PT2 is included in term 2. You know that. Still I am writing. From Marigold book, The Talkative Barber, Topsy-Turvy Land, The Little Bully, Sing a Song of People, then Malu Bhalu, then Who Will Be Ning Thao? Who will be Ning Thao? These chapters are from Marigold book, The Talkative Barber, then Topsy-Turvy Land, The Little Bully, Sing a Song of People, Malu Bhalu, then Who Will Be Ning Thao? Okay, now grammar. Grammar, I am writing only the chapter's name. Chapter number 11, 13, 15. 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. Then 33. Only these chapters from English grammar. Chapter number 11, then 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. Then 24. Then 33. Only these chapters are included in the term 2 syllabus. Clear? Ma'am, we can get the syllabus from e-portal. Yes, it is already uploaded in the e-portal, but it is not in this way. That the syllabus of term 2, it is not in this way. In my class, I mean in online and offline class, you will get the syllabus with the class. Okay. Ma'am, please tell the syllabus of English grammar slowly. Who is here? Prarthana. You cannot see the board? Prarthana, can you see the board? And this video will be uploaded, don't worry. Prarthana, you cannot see the board? No, why? Why? Any problem? Students, the board is not visible to all. Don't worry, this video, this class will be uploaded. Okay, so now we will start our lesson. No ma'am, I can see the board. Okay, okay, it's okay. So students, page number 60, wait, page number here, open page number 93. Now open page number 93, negative sentence. Already you got the video on negative sentence on yesterday, isn't it students? Did you access that video? Did you? Yesterday this video was uploaded on negative sentences, this chapter. Anyone accessed that video? If not, then don't worry, today I will do that again. So open page number 93. Oh yes, very good Rushabh, very good. So again today, no Anik, so access that video. So wait, today I will do the same chapter, negative sentence. You know what is called a negative sentence? A sentence having the words like no, not, nothing, never, etc. If a sentence is having this kind of words, okay? Yes, tell me. Oh, Prarthana, you cannot see. Okay, so if a sentence is having this kind of words, that means no, not, nothing, never, then we will call that sentence as negative sentence. Okay, clear? For example, a sentence having negative words, yeah, of course. So for example, if I say I have a pen, I have a pen. If I want to make it negative, then I will say I do not have a pen, or I have no pen. Understood? I have a pen, then make it negative. I do not have a pen, or I have no pen. This kind of. I have everything. If I want to make it negative, then I have, who can tell me? I have nothing. Okay, they are fighting. If we want to make it negative, we will write they are not fighting. So students, I am going to rub the board. Clear? Prarthana? All of you noted down this? All of you noted down from the book, from the board? Yes, very good Rishabh. So this way we make negative sentence. So the first one, students, the first one. So come to page number 95. Page number 95, one number. This river is very deep. The answer is this river. Can you see my handwriting? This river is not very deep. Can you see my handwriting? Can you read my handwriting? Tell me about my handwriting. Is it clear to all? My handwriting? Now next one. We were ready. This is number C. We were ready for the examination. No ma'am. What is no ma'am? Srijan, no ma'am or yes, no. Oh, you wrote yes ma'am. Okay, very good. So number 2, we were ready for the examination. We were not. We were not ready for the examination. Number 3, his father will be in the office today. Next, his father will not be in the office in the office today. Number 4. The Chief Minister has rejected the proposal. The Chief Minister has not rejected the proposal. Next, number 5. Go upstairs. Do not go upstairs. Do not go upstairs. Number 6. Shivani is sure of her success. Shivani is not sure of her success. Number 7. Take this medicine if you have a fever. Do not take this medicine. Do not take this medicine if you do not have a fever. Number 8. Who is sending? Aditya, do not send your copy right now because now I don't get time. Okay, don't send. Just check from the board and also check from the video. Okay. Number 8. You completed. That is a very good sign. Number 8. The students had got their identity cards with them. The students had not got their identity cards with them. Okay, right, students? Number D. Now make these sentences negative. Students, the board is visible? I mean the lower part? No. Students, listen. Already the video is uploaded, so you can get that video. So the next part, number D, I am dictating. Okay, I am dictating. So write. Number 1, you know the truth. You do not know the truth. Number 1, you do not, ma'am, the board is not visible. Aditya, maybe the problem is from your side. Better disconnect and rejoin. Now listen to me, okay? Aditya, I am telling the answer. So follow me. You know the truth. Number 1, you do not know the truth. You do not know the truth. Next, number 2, Ritu does not follow the rules. Ritu does not follow the rules. Number 3, these children do not need my help. These children do not need my help. Number 4, write number 4. She does not ask. She does not ask relevant questions. She does not ask. Okay. Number 5. They do not buy. The rest of the sentence will be the same. They do not buy books from his shop. Next, number 6. John does not speak. Why? Because it is written here John speaks, third person singular number, that's why s is added. So when we will make it negative, we will write John does not. John does not speak English fluently. Number 7. Shudha does not like her new frock. Shudha does not like her new frock. Number 8. My watch does not keep. My watch, third person singular number and present form of verb. My watch does not keep correct time. Number 9. I find his name at the top. So we will write, I do not find his name at the top. I do not find his name at the top. I do not find his name at the top. Number 10. This shop does not sell stationery. This shop does not sell stationery. This shop does not sell stationery. Now turn your page. Number E1. Again negative. Make it negative. Right. Here the sentences are in the past tense. So we will follow that. Number 1. Hema won the race. Won past tense. So we will write did not and present form of verb. Hema did not win. As it is own, own past form of verb. So that's why when we will make it negative, we will add did not and the present form of the root verb. Clear? So Hema did not win the race. Number 2. The sun did not shine brightly. The sun did not shine. S-H-I-N-E. Did not shine brightly. Number 3. We kept the windows open. So we did not keep the windows open. We did not keep the windows open. Number 4. My dream did not come true. My dream did not come true. Number 5. The chief guest did not give away. The chief guest did not give away the medals. The chief guest did not give away the medals. Number 6. We did not feel sure of our victory. We did not feel sure of our victory. Number 6. We did not feel we did not feel sure of our victory. Number 7. They did not sell the tickets. They did not sell the tickets at lower rates. They did not sell the tickets at lower rates. Number 8. The teacher did not mark me absent. The teacher did not mark me absent. Number 8. The teacher did not mark me absent. Number 9. Her toy aeroplane did not fly very well. Number 9. Her toy aeroplane did not fly very well. Her toy aeroplane did not fly very well. Number 10. I did not get a comfortable seat in the train. I did not get a comfortable seat in the train. I did not get a comfortable seat in the train. Students, did you find it difficult? Did you find any problem, students? When I was dictating, did you find any problem? Did you face any problem? Oh yes, Srijan, number 6. We did not feel FWL. We did not feel sure of our victory. We did not feel sure of our victory. Srijan, is it okay? Rishabh, Aditya, Srija, Shohini, I am so glad that you didn't have any problem. Very good. So students, this chapter, okay, done. This video will be uploaded, and already one video yesterday one video was uploaded on negative sentence. Students, did you find this chapter very difficult? Did you? The chapter is very difficult. Oh, which one? Shomili, number 9. Yes. Her toy aeroplane did not fly. FLY. Her toy aeroplane did not fly very well. Clear, Shomili? Her toy aeroplane did not fly very well. Shomili, is it okay? Students, any queries? If anyone missed any number, tell me. Tell me if you have any problem, any question I have to repeat. Ma'am, which composition is in our term 2? Hey Srija, I already told students term 2 examination will be in the MCQ pattern. Okay, so and you are already acquainted with that pattern, isn't it? Because you gave PT1, then term 1, then PT2, again term 2 is in the MCQ pattern. As it is in MCQ pattern, that's why letter writing, essay writing, okay, and unseen comprehension will not come. Though already I uploaded a video on letter writing, still letter writing, essay writing, and which was comprehension will not come. Clear, Srija? Srija, is it clear? Shomili, in text 1 chapter is left. Which chapter? Shomili, tell me. Text 1 chapter is left means? Shomili, in text 1 chapter is left means? What are you telling? Shomili, please clear me. 1 chapter is left means? Which chapter? One chapter is left. Students, any chapter is left? Shomili, who will be Ningthao is not done. Who told you? You didn't attend our class, online class, and also online video, offline video. The chapter who will be Ningthao, the story is completed and the question answers also, isn't it, students? The question answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also completed. Okay. Maybe Shomili, you missed that class. Don't worry, you can access that video. Clear? So students, bye for today, and remember, from the next class, from the next day, okay, I will ask question and you will answer me. That means revision part. Clear? I will ask question. So read carefully, and you know, students, as it is MCQ pattern, that means you have to read every poem, every chapter, every story, I mean every grammar chapters also very minutely. MCQ you will not get a broad question answer, isn't it? You have to only pick. So you have to read the story, the poem very carefully. Clear? So bye students for today. Present, sir. So bye students, bye bye. You are clear about the syllabus and the chapters, isn't it? So bye bye.